Hello, I'm Mel Grimes from CACI. I'm here with Nicole Wellman that represent the State Media Service Program. And we're here today to discuss the services that we can provide for you as a marketing NCO.
Some of the services we provide are media planning, placement and buying, creative development, and also the MOS Jobs Program, which includes the Army National Guard Job Board and blog. We also have the Regional Marketing Support Team, which is a team of marketing professionals that are here to assist you in your new job as a marketing NCO. We can help you with market research, training, and developing marketing and advertising solutions. The best thing for you to do at this point is to reach out to your regional marketing representative for your RAC to get more information on the services we provide. The best part, there's no cost to you for these services.